Hey y'all, welcome back to Whip Tips. This is Doc. Today you're going to be watching me unbox an EAG winch bumper that's going to go on my Jeep Cherokee, my XJ, 2000 XJ 4.0 liter engine, four-wheel drive. I had been looking for a good winch bumper, and there are a lot of like custom fabrication places you can go and get them. There are, you go to Facebook. Jeep groups and they swear by all these places, etc., and tell you not to get Smitty built or EAG. The fact of the matter is, though, for the price point, this is a really good bumper. And unless you're totally serious about buying high end for every single component of your Jeep, so that you can go to amazing places and do amazing things, you don't need to get those high end things. And I'm a big fan of saving money wherever I can. So anyway, let's get into the video. All right, y'all, welcome back. Now, what I'm going to do is just start the unboxing, and I can't remember what I said in the intro, but basically what I've got here is a package from Vicious Off-Road. And just going back and forth with the guys at Vicious, I kind of got a good feel for, they seemed really helpful. They answered all my questions right away. And if I can ever do business with a company and avoid Amazon, I like doing that because I'm just not a Bezos fan at all. So if you can, let's see. I'll see what I get when I open the box. But if this turns out to look good, I may recommend Vicious when this is over. So let's see what we got. Now it should be in this box. There should be. Let's see if I can remember. Some KC Highlights Apollo Series 6-inch fog lamps, 100 watt, and an EAG winch bumper that I had my eye on for a while, and I'm pretty excited about. And we'll see how that looks. Box came, looks okay, in okay shape. A little bit of bending in it, but nothing too bad. Nothing that screams out, oh, this has been damaged. But sometimes you can't tell till you're actually in the box completely. And excuse my appearance, yes, I'm in bare feet. So let's see. Should probably put my X-Acto knife down before I do this. Let's just tip this over, see if I can do it without hitting the tripod. This is about 100 pounds of weight, so not too bad, but also not light either. All right. So, right away, you can see the packing's really good. This may just be the bumper and not the KC Highlights. Now that I get a better look in here, I'm not seeing any lights. All right, y'all, sorry about that. I had to get all the plastic unwrapped and everything, but this is what you get once you open the box. And again, I got this from Vicious Off-Road. I was hoping to also get some KC Highlights, but it turns out those are coming in a separate shipment. So Vicious just went from an A+ to a B+. I've been having some trouble getting in touch with them to nail down when those highlights are going to ship. And you know how it is, man. You order these parts, you're ready to do the build, and suddenly you're notified that, oh, we don't have them in stock. We get them direct from distributor or direct from manufacturer. So not happy about that, but it is what it is. Anyway, this is about, I don't know, 100 pounds, 90 pounds, something like that. It's pretty heavy. I'm not going to lift it up. Bull bar, bolts on. I imagine for the price of this thing, I think I got it for just under 400 or right around 400. For the price of this thing, I'm going to imagine that this is not going to be a perfect fit, and that's okay. Deal with that when the time comes. It also comes with, not sure what these are. I think these go between the bull bar and the bumper itself, probably to tamp down on noise or something. But nice instruction manual. You've got the actual brackets that tie into your frame itself. But I got some Dirt-Bound Off-Road. I may have mentioned this already. I got some Dirt-Bound Off-Road frame tie-ins that go further in and tie into the frame in a better way. And then, of course, here you got the O-rings, or sorry, the D-rings that go in the front on these D-ring hangers right here. And they've got separators on them to cut down on noise. And then you've got all the hardware you need, all the bolts and whatnot here in this bag. So everything's here. Very pleased with the quality. No dings on the finish, nothing. It all looks really good. The finish is kind of the same that you get with like Smitty built products. It's a textured black kind of shiny kind of finish. And got the nice little EAG emblem there. And the winch plate here looks pretty beefy. And of course right here you've got, oh my God, I'm drawing a blank, where the winch plate thing goes. Either it's rollers or it's a smooth surface. You can get a bunch of different kinds. But anyway, that's where your wire rope or your synthetic rope will come through. And I just put my finger in front of the lens. Sorry about that. But I don't know. I'm so far so good with this bumper. Unboxing it, at least, it looks fantastic. Highly recommend EAG so far. I'll let you know once I install. Like and subscribe. Doc out. Oh, you made it to the end. That's awesome. Listen, I'm Doc. I'm the one who's, the voice behind these videos. And I really appreciate you taking the time to actually watch the whole thing. That's fantastic. If you've got time, if you want to, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you get notified of new videos when I put them up. I'm going to try and do one a week. And I'm going to do a bunch of Instagram stuff, so make sure you follow me there and on Twitter. Instagram's going to be the shorter stuff. I don't have any merchandise yet. I'm planning to as the channel grows. If I succeed, I'll get some merch. For now, if you really want to help me in another way, you like these videos enough, I'm going to put links to my books in the description of the video. I'm a science fiction author in my spare time as well, so I'm juggling a lot of balls. But anyway, I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you at the next one. Hey, do me a favor and turn this junk off. I don't know how to deal with tech.